Alright guys, welcome to the next one. So here we're dealing with two problems now, yes? So I decided to double it up. So we have to firstly write this figure here as an ordinary number. So if you recall, this is a type of format known as standard form, which deals with anything with 10 as a power. So to write this as an ordinary number, because 10 has a negative power, this means there's going to be 6 zeros behind this figure. So if we copy this whole number and just plug in 6 zeros, so we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and then copy a number, 797. Now all we have to do literally is move this decimal place over here. I mean, this is just a shorthand of doing it. You could see technically if you did that, if you start here, you would have traveled exactly 6 places. But this is just a smart way, yeah? So just put 6 zeros behind and you're done. Now part B, let's move on. So work out the value of this figure here. Give your answer in standard form. Okay, so we've got 2.52 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 4 times 10 to the power negative 3. When you divide, it's always easy to write it as a fraction. So I'm going to say 2.52 times 10 to the power 5 all over 4 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Now we can just split this up. So firstly, we can figure out what 2.52 over 4 is, and then we can figure out next part. So 10 to the power 5 over 10 to the negative 3. So because you're dividing, you subtract the powers. So it'll be 5 minus 3. So minus 3 becomes a positive 3. So it's 5 add 3, which is 10 to the power 8. Now to figure out this one without a calculator, well, you can just use, let me see. You can use the standard division, bus stop method, long division, anything. So I'm just going to change the color pens, and I'm just going to word this out on the right side. So we can put a 4 here and put 2.52. Okay? So to divide into it, you go 4 into 2 goes nothing. Put a point, and then now it's 4 into 25. So 4 into 25 will go exactly 6 times with 1 remainder, and 4 into 12 will go exactly 3 times. So you can see that this solution here is exactly 0.63. So we've got 0.63 times 10 to the power of 8. And now all you really need to is to see that this figure here is divided by 10. So we can just scale it back, so we can rewrite this as 6.3 times 10 to the power of negative 1. So that's exactly what it is. When you multiply negative 1, you add a 0. And then times against what we left, 10 to the power 8. So all you do now is combine the powers of 10. So minus 1 plus 8 will give us positive 7. So the final solution is 6.3 times 10 to the power 7. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Definitely some steps, but without a calculator, it takes a while. If you had a calculator, you can just literally smash this as it is, and you should get this figure. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.